If you're looking for a protein bar that tastes like a candy bar or sweet dessert, this is not it. This protein bar is for hikers and athletes who want long-lasting energy without refined sugar. Its combination of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats support the body's needs in a convenient, easy-to-pack bar. As always, you can scroll down to see the list of ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of cooked lentils for this recipe. Lentils are packed with protein, fiber, and a long list of vitamins and minerals. You'll also need oat flour, or you can process oats in a food processor or blender, which is what I do, reserving any extra for another use. Cinnamon or dark chocolate are optional add-ins. Then combine all of your ingredients in a food processor. I cut my dates in half to make it a little easier on my food processor and also to ensure they're all pitted. Cut a sheet of parchment paper to fit your slow cooker and grease it with coconut oil. Then cover and turn your slow cooker to the low setting. My bars take about 1 hour and 45 minutes. The edges should be brown, but the center should still be soft. Over baking will dry the bars out. Allow the bars to completely cool, then mine go in the freezer until needed. For other bars high in protein with no refined sugar, see my video for cookies for breakfast, easy no-bake health bars, or black bean brownies. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and please share my channel with those who might need help with a gluten-free diet.